You're watching Good Morning Texas in high definition with Brenda Teal, Gary Cogill, and Amy Vanderoff.
Look great for the holidays without spending a lot of money. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Med Spa is here with an effective beauty on a budget procedure. Hello, how are you, Bill?
Good morning. We're great.
What is happening over here? Because we teased this a little bit earlier in the show, but this is a very special peel.
We're doing a VI peel, Amy, which is a regular acid peel, but it's got some special ingredients. It's got some retin-a. It's got some special minerals, so it doesn't burn or cause the peeling and redness afterwards that we see with so many heavy peels.
Okay, so it's more comfortable, but does that mean less effective?
No, it doesn't.
That's good news.
It's very effective and really does a very good job on pigment areas. It also does a very good job on fine wrinkles and lines. And one of the great things about the VI peel is we can use it on darker skinned individuals as well, which is really
a big deal.
Special.
Yeah, because a lot of peels you couldn't use on anybody but maybe Caucasian skin.
That's right. And this one we can use on even darker skinned Africans.
Wow, very nice. All right, we're going to check back with her because she's going to continue this process so we can kind of ask her questions a little bit later. But let's talk about other affordable options when we're talking about beauty, like Restylane and Botox.
Yeah, our producer, Carla, gave us the idea for beauty on a budget. And so we've really put together a lot of packages. Botox, for example, is a great way. And here's some before and afters on Botox. Nothing does what Botox can do on the wrinkles that are caused by our muscular action. And Botox starts for as little as $200 to $225.
Look how angry the before picture is and how happy and pleasant the after, and that's probably the biggest plus.
I do Botox because my patients started telling me I'm a real scowler when I'm concentrating, and my patients started asking me if I got angry, if I was angry, and so I do it so I don't look angry.
Yeah, and then that's probably what a lot of people say, the same thing, because that's a muscle that we use a lot in our face. Okay, well, let's talk about other holiday gifts that might be good to give or receive. Laser treatment. Hair removal is a great gift.
Yeah, and laser hair removal is something that has been around for a while. There are a lot of folks doing it, so the prices have really fallen down. And the technology's improved where it's not painful like it has a reputation for.
Yeah, I always thought that laser hair treatments were going to be really painful.
Yeah, and they're not very painful anymore. We can do them on any colored skin, and the treatments start for as low as $99 for a series of 3.
Wow, so more affordable too. This really is beauty on a budget. Okay, how about the discoloration sometimes we get over time, whether it's red spots or brown spots?
Well, the red and brown spots, especially face, back of the hands, are a real teller. And intense pulse light, or IPL, is a great treatment, and it's one that has no real downtime. You can do it literally over lunch and go right back to lunch. And the results are very good, and this is, for instance, on décolleté, they're just wonderful.
Okay, that's where you're seeing a lot of the sun damage on that sensitive skin area, and that is a dramatic result.
Yeah,
how long until you get those results?
Typically, you'll start to see real improvement after about a week.
Okay.
And to really get that clean, something like that, you'd probably want to do about 4 treatments.
Okay.
And they start at about $199.
Wow, that's very affordable.
Very affordable.
We think about these treatments, we see these dramatic results, we think thousands of dollars.
Well, for the holidays, we've cut our budget treatments down by about 45%. So we've really cut, because of the times and because of the holidays, we've taken a real discount.
We can buy one for your friend and then buy one for ourselves. I like that a lot. Okay, well, we want to do some preventative stuff too. We think about skincare and products. What do you have for us in that line?
Well, on facial care products, we do in facials in the office, where we do a lot of deep cleansing, deep moisturizing, and then put on special treatments like facial masks and those sort of things. But anyone that is going to really start taking care of their skin should be on daily facial care products. Okay. Everyone should have a cleanser that's designed for their skin type. They should use a moisturizer also designed for their skin type. We should all be using some exfoliants once or twice a week.
And it seems really easy, but sometimes we skip those most important steps and we don't take care of our skin, so that preventative is really good. Now let's talk about the peel, because she's just finishing up having this process done. I want to ask your patient a question. How is it feeling?
Very warm and tingling sensation.
But you're not in like excruciating pain, right?
No pain whatsoever.
And that's the great thing, Dr. Bill, is you're saying that these are your typical peels, but it's not that downtime. She can really go in and have this done over lunch and go back to work.
Go back to work.
And it's just as effective.
Just as effective, and for darker skinned individuals actually more effective because you couldn't use it before.
When is she going to see the results? Over the next couple of days, how is it going to be for her?
She's going to see the next few days, she's going to feel tight. She's going to be a bit red. She may peel a bit.
But that means it's working.
But that means it's working. And then she's going to notice improvement in tone and texture beginning in about a week. And she probably in about a month should repeat and get a second peel. And with that, she'll start to get some real good facial tightening as well.
We're going to check back in. We want to see some after pictures on you. Dr. Bill, thanks for helping us look fabulous over the holidays. And Innovations Med Spa has locations in Dallas, Grapevine, and Fort Worth. The phone number to call is 972-331-8844. You can log on to innovationsmedspa.com. And if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedspa.com.